The legend returns. The 2025 Ford Torino Cobra Jet is here to redefine American muscle with raw power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology. Ford has resurrected this beast with a modernized design, race-ready performance, and a roaring V8 that pays tribute to its legendary past. The exterior is a perfect blend of classic Torino muscle and modern aerodynamics. A bold front grille with LED headlights gives it an intimidating presence, while the sculpted hood features a functional ram air intake. Wide fenders, deep side skirts, and an optional racing stripe add to its aggressive stance. At the rear, a ducktail spoiler and quad exhaust tips signal that this isn't just for show, it's built for speed. Ford offers exclusive colors like Velocity Blue, Shadow Black, and Cobra Red, ensuring it stands out on the streets and the track. Under the hood, the 2025 Torino Cobra Jet is a monster. A 7.3-liter supercharged V8 delivers an earth-shaking 850 horsepower and 800 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and launch control, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. A 6-speed manual transmission is available for purists who crave full control. Ford's advanced traction and stability systems keep all that power in check, making it a true performer on the drag strip and winding roads alike. To handle this power, Ford has equipped the Torino Cobra Jet with a track-tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and an electronic limited-slip differential. Massive Brembo brakes ensure it stops just as quickly as it accelerates. With multiple drive modes, including track, sport, and drag, the Torino adapts to any driving style, delivering unmatched performance in every setting. Inside, the cabin is all about the driver. Leather-wrapped bucket seats with Cobra Jet embroidery provide supreme comfort and support. A flat-bottom steering wheel with carbon fiber accents enhances the race-inspired feel. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster delivers real-time performance data, while the 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system features wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Ford's Sync 5 system. A premium Bang & Olufsen audio system lets drivers enjoy their favorite tracks when they aren't listening to the V8 growl. Ford has also packed the Torino Cobra Jet with advanced safety features, including blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, and lane keeping assist. These modern touches make it a muscle car that doesn't compromise on safety. Pricing starts at around $75,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $100,000 for fully loaded versions. With its aggressive design, brutal power, and state-of-the-art technology, the 2025 Ford Torino Cobra Jet is more than just a car, it's a statement. The king of muscle cars is back, and it's here to dominate.